welcome back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic dashboard happy planner that I use for social media planning, and I'm going to be planning for the week of April 3rd through Sunday, April the 9th. And this is Easter week, and I do realize that my planner's dated incorrectly, but we're going to go ahead and take care of that during this plan with me. And today I'm going to be using stickers from the Steph's Design Space Spring Dream Weekly Kit. And so we've got Spring Dream A, which is functional boxes, the days of the week, and date stickers, along with some important planner words that you may need throughout the week. Then we have the Spring Dream B, which is additional functional boxes in a variety of sizes, with some that have the border and like a shading of what the deco is, which is really pretty. Then we have Spring Dream C, which is your washi strips and then your torn pieces of paper that are kind of like journaling style type of torn pieces, which are super, super pretty. Then we have the Spring Dream D, which is all the deco pieces, which have all these pretty florals, and like this floral bunch has an Easter egg, and this one is so pretty, and look at that cute little bird. And then I'm also going to be adding in, this is not part of the weekly kit, but I thought that this sticker sheet paired well with the Spring Dream kit, and that's the Steph's Design Space Floral Eggs, which are so pretty. I love all the designs, especially the ones that have like that purple tint to it. So I'll be using these as well. And so we're gonna go ahead and get started. If you guys like plan with me's and shopping hauls and coloring, please consider giving my channel a subscribe and a like. That would really help me out. And let's get it going. Let's see what this spread turns out as. I am starting by whiting out these sections here. I do not use them as they indicate here. I use them in my own way, so I always cover those up, and I also cover up this corner because I usually use it for an additional decorative opportunity. So we're gonna start by finding our Spring A, and I already predated these to the correct days of the week. So we're gonna start with Monday the 3rd. And we're gonna put these over the existing days of the week that are there. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. If you have any Easter plans, let us know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about what you've got planned out. I have lots of appointments and things I need to get done this week, and then halfway through the week, starting on Thursday, well, really all of this week is Holy Week, but starting Thursday, there are like masses going on and stuff like that. So masses and services and stuff. So maybe ending up going to some of those. And some relatives will be coming into town. I don't know how long they plan on staying, but I do want to at least swing by and say hey. So that'll be going on. All right, so I already dated this correctly, so now we have the right days of the week, and we're ready to go ahead and get our plans started. I am going to put down my header stickers on this side. These headers are kind of like a cream color, which are really pretty actually. I don't know if it's cream or tan, but this color is really pretty. It's very neutral. Very appropriate for springtime. Like, I love the color palette that Steph used on this sticker kit, and I believe this sticker kit is available in her shop right now. I mean, I picked it up, so hopefully it didn't sell out or anything like that. So if you guys are interested, do make sure to visit Steph's Design Space for this sticker kit and lots of other awesome goodies. And before I forget, I do want to add the title to some of these. So I'm going to do remember and important. Let's see, remember, I'll put remember here and important on the left. And then I'll go in with a pen and write out YouTube and Instagram on the bottom two here. Let me see if I can find me a pen. I usually keep track of my YouTube and Instagram stats down here, so, but I don't have stickers for that. So I just go ahead and write it in. So we got Instagram and YouTube. All right. And then I have some stickers that I do use there. I'll bring those out in just a minute. Let's continue on here. So I want to bring in these journaling pieces here. They're super cute. So we're gonna do this one, go down here. I'm gonna move it over just a little bit. I think if I move it over, I won't have to cut it. Here we go. Okay. All right, so I got it down. Looks so pretty. And I think I'm gonna put the other one that looks like it at the top over here. Probably starting right there. All right. Now this one I do think I'm gonna have to cut just because I'm not going to cover up the 2023. Yeah, like I know for some people it's like, oh, no big problem. I know it's 2023, and well, so do I, but I don't know. I want to see it there. So, okay, very pretty. And so let's see, what else can I do with the other washi? I don't want to put it here because this one's a thicker washi than this one. So let me see. My other idea is to just layer it on top of the other one. See how it looks. See, there's this extra spot here. So we can layer it on top of that. All right, and then we'll go ahead and just trim off at the same spot there. And now we've got a pretty little top line here. And then we'll do the same thing at the bottom here. Let's see here. We will add it right about here. Okay. Looks pretty good. I like that. And then that leaves us some space to be able to put some of our torn pieces down here at the bottom. And I do want to use this long sticker, but instead of using it vertically, I think I'm going to use it this way. And put it down like that. Okay. And we can even put some of these eggs. Let's see, which of these eggs would match? No, not the eggs. We'll do some of this grass. Oh, wouldn't that be cool? Okay, so we'll add some of the grass right in here. Super cute. And then we'll do grass on this side as well. I like that a lot. Okay. So then we do need to put our functional boxes over here, but I am having such a good time with these deco pieces and everything. So these journaling pieces I want to use as well. Let me see. Okay, so we're gonna use the ones that have the boxes that have designs on them for sure. Okay, so Monday, for sure on Thursday, and then Tuesday, right over here. I'm going to use a non-decorated one there. Let me see. Just switch it out. Okay. And this one will go maybe right over here. And then one for Tuesday, but at the top. Now, I'm not going to put anything down for Saturday and Sunday. I may do a smaller one, but not the bigger boxes, because I may end up putting out some shorts on those days. Okay. So we're good on that, and I am gonna put this one back because I do want to be able to use it at another time. The good thing about Steph's weekly kit stickers is that you always have stickers left over and you can use them to create a whole other spread. It's awesome. I haven't even gone in with the deco yet. Let's see. So I'm thinking, what am I thinking? I'm gonna put this one down at the bottom over here. Or the very, very bottom. Okay. And for the sections that don't have any deco, I do want to add a little something. We'll be adding this right there. Well, a good one to have put here is also this. Well, because it's Easter. Now, I think I have a sticker left from one of my other Plan With Me's that I think I do have a Happy Easter. Let me check. So I have this Happy Easter left from my catch-all spread, and I think I'm going to add it right here. Okay. And let's see here. Then I think I also want to add this longer torn sticker to this side right here. Let's see. And I can lift this other sticker and layer it over. And that would be cute. And then here, what am I gonna do there? I could line up a couple of eggs. I think I am. Let me see. We're looking at maybe these right here, these bluish ones. This one, maybe this one, and then this one right here. Okay. This one and this one, and then we can put them in there with some grass. So I'm going to grab some of the grass here. Okay, so we got some grass. And then I'm going to get some more grass. Ooh, don't stick yet, not yet. Okay. Ah, so awesome. I love it. I love it. I can put a to-do right here. To-do. Okay. And then I just need to go ahead and grab my Instagram and YouTube analytics sheets. I have these as well from Steph's Design Space. These stickers here are my YouTube analytics, which you can track your subscribers, views, AVD, CTR, your view hours, and your total hours. And I also have Instagram analytics sticker sheet, which can track your followers, your account reach, your growth, active times, and content reach. And I like using these just to kind of see how my channels grow and just kind of keep track of that. It's good to have something to look back on. And these are also available on Steph's Design Space. Okay, oops, I'm gonna move these over. This looks so pretty. I love how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.